This is our DairyLab250. This is a multi-purpose unit which comes from the idea of having testing and pilot equipment also suitable for a lot of different operations. Basically, we think about low pressure fermentation, pasteurization, cooling, maturation, and homogenization. In this unit, this is very important because the unit is self-sufficient from the auxiliaries point of view with energy, water, steam, and it's also highly automated, controlled by a PLC, which is able to manage and supervise all the operation. What we can do with this unit? There is a wide range of purposes. Our customers mostly use for experimenting new mixtures for ice cream, for yogurt, for fermented cheese, and also small experimental batches, always in the dairy market. This is possible through some peculiar solution. One of them is a new design of pump, which is able to manage high viscosity liquids, and a specific designed homogenization valve, which is basically designed for Fraugroup. Through this solution, so we are able to deliver a single unit, modular, with a high level of automation, very suitable for many different purposes.